Hey channel, so tonight we're going to try something a little bit different. Now it's going to take a little bit longer than what they should, but it's going to be quite a funny one. So here we have a Anders gas heater, and we've made this concoction of a grill on top. So for all you gas lovers, gas heater lovers, this is going to be the impossible possible. So we are gonna cook some snags. Cheap snags from Coles. Let's see how we go. I'll show you how to look when they're on the barbecue. Like snap. Okay, so we've got the snags on. We've had to crank it up to full heat. The burners are right up. These are frozen, so we're gonna see how we go. There'll be no flame up on this because I do not want to make an absolute mess of my gas heater. But I'll show you in the next scene when they start to brown up. This is going to take a long time, but let's see how we go. You'll see the next scene like. Alright, so what we've done, we've just adjusted the tin foil so we had more heat going direct up. And yeah, it's going to be a very slow cook, but this is a trial and error. So it's just to show people what you can do. Now, if I took that tin foil out, that would be cooking a lot hotter. But the thing is, I don't want to make an absolute mess of the heater. So this is a trial thing. I wanted to try for a while, but if this actually works properly, what I want to try next time is I want to try and cook some egg and bacons with a fry pan. Or egg and bacon, sorry, not eggs and bacons. But yeah. So generally on the barbecue, this should probably take 15-20 minutes to cook some snags like this. This is probably going to take more like about 30, I wouldn't even say 30, I'd probably say more like about 45 to 50 minutes. But it's just to see if it is possible. So if someone's cooking a barbecue one night and they run out of gas and like, oh fuck, you know, I need to cook these snags up because we're all hungry. Well, it just shows if you've got grills and anything you can raise the heat from without destroying your heater, it can be done. So I'll make sure in the next scene I'll show you guys when they start to brown up, just like bang. Okay, so what I've done here is I've lowered the heat down to the grill with the tin foil. So now you'll see I went from raised heat, but because the tin foil it works as a deflector, so it takes away a lot of the heat. So by lowering this down without still damaging the heater, you can see there's nothing going on there. These will actually cook a lot quicker now. So this is all trial and error, and it's just to show people how to cook on a gas heater if you're running a gas in your barbecue. So let's there we go. You'll definitely see them brown next. Yummy. So a couple of rotations. We're finally getting some browning. Now, this has been a massive test on this thing. We've probably been cooking now for at least about 45 minutes. And this thing's actually on maximum setting. It's all about the heat shield there. And it's getting a little bit messy underneath, but it's not too bad. But yeah, like I said, I'll show you in this scene how they're starting to get brown. So you see a nice little bit of brown there. Lightly oiled. And yeah. I will show you when I take these off in 1, 2, 3, probably 45 minutes later. Snap. Alright, now we're cooking. So, now I'll try and hold the phone in the tongs. That's how we look. So I've rotated this, I've changed the adjustment, and these are coming along pretty good. I can hear them sizzling away quite well. So I keep saying the next scene you're going to see when they're brown, but I don't think it's funny just cooking it the way I'm cooking it. So this is how the snags are looking. Cooked on this little heater. There come a gourmet. I'll show you one more scene, and then we'll be taking it off. Like a snap. Alright, all. These look like they're reasonably done. They've taken about an hour and a half with 3 different adjustments. A little bit of leakage into the heater, but that will burn off. I didn't really want to do it like that, but it's all trial and error. So I would say they're medium to done. Probably put a bit more water on the camera, but like I said, it's all trial and error. Yeah, hopefully everyone liked this video. I would highly suggest if anyone ever does this on this type of heater, put them in a fry pan. Just straight on the top fry pan, because that will cook very quick. You won't have the tin foil that blocks it. You won't have the raising grill. And yeah, but I reckon they're going to taste pretty bloody good. So thanks for watching, thanks for viewing, and see you guys in the next one. This is Dee's cooking on a gas heater. Sausages. Peace.